Good day all. Welcome back. Welcome back to Life Lesson 38. Rich man looking for a qualified man. This is a story about a rich man who had built a wonderful and a beautiful temple in a village. The temple was so beautiful after the construction, the villagers started visiting it and the good word spread across. It was so beautiful, it was so plush, it was so nice that people from far and wide started visiting the temple. As they started visiting the temple, the number of visitors started growing. The rich man started to create arrangements for food, stay within the temple, and now he needed an administrator. So put an advertisement outside, need an administrator. There's a lot of people who applied for the job, and he started interviewing it because the applicants thought that this job would be good enough, and then the rich man would obviously pay them good amount of salary as well. He kept on rejecting people, rejecting people, rejecting people. The villagers thought he's a madman. What is he looking for? Why can't he find a qualified person? The rich man used to sit on the top of his house on the top floor, and he used to keep watching the people walking down to the temple because it was near his home. And after a few days, one day he called in a poor man who just went for the visit, did the darshan, and was coming out. And then he called him in and he said, you take the job of the administrator for the temple. The poor man was surprised. I'm not qualified. I'm an uneducated man. I am a person who can't do all this job. The rich man said, no, you will be able to do the job. The poor man said, what is that I have done that you believe that I will be able to do this job? The rich man says that on that path from my home, I had plotted a particular brick with the edges out on that path. Every day there would be one or the other who would stumble upon, who would fall, who would get hurt. But what you did was different today. You didn't even stumble on that piece of brick. But what you did is when you saw that, you went to the labor, you took the shovel, you pulled out the brick, you leveled the land, and then you went for the temple visit. So the poor man said, what is it that I have done differently? I've just done my duty. And this is what I should be doing all the time. The rich man looked at the poor man, and he said, exactly, that's my point. Any person who just does their duty for the well-being of others is qualified enough to do the job. Hence the job is yours. With that, we come to the end of life lesson. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, when no one is looking at you and you're working, please make sure that you stay focused on your duty and keep accomplishing your duty so that you're able to make a difference. With that, we come to the end of life lesson 38. Rich man looking for a qualified man. Please switch on your notification button so that every time I come back, you get to see my videos. Keep liking, keep watching, keep subscribing. Take care. Have a good day ahead, and bye-bye.